On today's menu, a delicious recipe that will lift you up when your spirit is down. A super refreshing Japanese mule.
Lei home ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now at the end of the episode, be sure to get your free ebook that I've put together just for you that has 5 incredibly easy, unintimidating, plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. So you can download that in the description box below at the end of the episode. And then that same link, also, you can check out this amazing giveaway that we'll be doing for this month. I've gone out and purchased 5 of these incredibly beautiful Italian olive wood serving boards, and I'm giving away 5 of them with the shipping included, depending on the country that you live in. So be sure to check out the eligibility and the official rules in the link in the description box below. But first, before we do all that, let's make an incredibly refreshing Japanese mule.
Add some fresh mint leaves to the cocktail shaker. Small piece Fuji apple. Small piece ginger. Crush to release its juices.
Now, I'm definitely not an expert at making drinks, and I wouldn't really say that I'm an expert at making food either, but this is a bit of a variation of the Moscow Mule, but we'll be using a Japanese whiskey.
Squeeze of fresh lime juice.
So usually you use simple syrup for making drinks, which is just a reduction of a water and sugar sort of mixture, but I don't have any, so we're just going to use this amazing, my favorite maple syrup that is aged in bourbon barrels, and this is absolutely amazing. I only use this for special occasions, like when we're cooking together.
Half tablespoon maple syrup. Your preference of 1 or 2 ounces of Japanese whiskey. Add a handful of ice, seal the shaker, and shake. Add some more mint leaves to your serving cup. Add a handful of ice cubes and some more fresh mint. Strain and pour over that amazing cocktail mix. Top off with high quality ginger beer. You can now sit back with this refreshing drink with absolute confidence.
That is one easy but impressive drink. That is so refreshing and absolutely delicious. You have that fresh ginger flavor and that amazing fresh mint and fresh apple. The flavor just kind of combines all together with that amazing Japanese whiskey and that ginger beer. That is really, really delicious. By the way, if you haven't already signed up for our newsletter, you can check that out in the link in the description box below. And this month, I'm giving away 5 of these incredibly beautiful Italian olive wood serving boards, and they're just beautiful. I absolutely love these, and you have that incredible live edge wood characteristic. I'm giving away 5 of these with shipping included to most countries, sadly not all countries, but do check that out and check out the official rules and eligibility in the link in the description box below. As always, remember to subscribe Hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.